What is up, Tube, and welcome back to Big Al's Barber Channel. Guys, we are here for you to help you with your barbering career, guys. We're here to do product reviews, vlogs, tutorials. We discuss nothing but barber activities, guys. Today we're here to do another product review. What we're gonna do a product review today, guys, is we're gonna discuss the new Caliber 357, guys. 357. If you guys haven't seen this machine, I encourage you guys to look it up. It's a pretty sweet machine, guys. I'm not gonna lie about it. I really had mixed feelings about it, but as we've gone on, I've really developed a little traction to this machine. You can tell it has a rotor. It doesn't have a rotary motor. It has a magnetic motor. If you guys don't know the difference, a magnetic motor to a rotary motor. This is a rotary motor. Hear how loud that is? I don't even use this machine lately because that's how loud it sounds. This is super quiet, guys. It has a lever switch. You hear the clicks? 4 clicks. Actually pretty nice, guys, because it keeps me in line when I'm doing my fades. I could tell where I'm at. You know, the 4 clicks is very important when you're fade using the click system. Really well-made machine, guys. Has the only thing I don't like about it is it's kind of it has a plastic cover, which nice gold finish on it. Plastic outer casing. It feels well made, but at the same time it's super light compared to, say, the 1919, which has a balance more of a real true to the balance of a real machine. This feels a lot lighter, so it's different. But as you guys can see in the videos that I'm showing you guys right now, the 357 is a good machine for fading, guys. It really is. I would compare it to a Wahl Magic Clip, if anything. The Magic Clip, I don't know. You know, the Magic Clip to me was different, guys. To me, it felt, it's light as like this, but for me, it didn't cut that good. I never really was a Magic Clip fan. And actually, when I ordered this one, the reason why I ordered it, it was because during the look and learn back in September, Ant the Barber brought his, and he told me, here, try this out, do a fade with it. And I tried it out, and I thought it was smooth. I thought it really was smooth. So what I did, since Caliber hasn't hooked me up, I waited till Black Friday and I ordered it, and I got it for 75 bucks. 75 bucks. After I ordered it, Rum Barber told me that I ordered the wrong one. I should have ordered the 50 cal, but I ordered this one, and I ordered this one because I had tried this one. I haven't tried the 50 cal. Rum says I would be more of a 50 cal guy, but you know, who knows. For now, I really do like this machine, guys. If you want a smooth fading machine that doesn't cost too much, the only thing I feel that it has a drawback right now so far is that the battery doesn't last as long. It lasts like 2 to 3 haircuts tops. By the 3rd haircut, I can already feel it like loosening up and really slowing down a lot. So you know, that's one of the drawbacks about it, is that the battery doesn't seem to last as long. But check out how quiet it is. It's a really good looking machine. Look at that. Plastic casing. Like I said, it seems well made, but at the same time it's a plastic. It's not metal like the other housings. I like the click system on it. I do like that, because when I fade in kind of like 4 sections. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 you're already on top. So that's kind of cool. So I like that. I like that a lot about it. I like that it uses a 2-hole system, so you can actually use a Wahl blade on it. So when you replace the blade, you can. So now the true test, guys, is going to be the test of time, and see how long this thing really actually lasts, because you know, I've only had it probably about a month already, maybe a month and a half, 6 weeks. I usually like to try them out for at least 6 weeks before I hand out my review. But as of right now, you know what, guys, it's a nice machine. Would I buy it if I was you? You know what, if you're having trouble fading and you want a good machine that I think will help you fade easier, this is a good machine. Now, I don't know how long it's gonna last yet. Like I said, I've only had it 6 weeks, so I'm gonna keep using it. You'll probably see it in a lot of my videos. Lately, if you go back on my Instagram and look at my last 6 videos, hyperlapses that I made, I'm usually using this machine right now. So I've been actually using it a lot. So I'm kind of really liking it a lot now. Not to the point where I'm gonna go out and buy another one, but to the point where I'm gonna keep using it till I'm gonna put it to the test. Put it to the test, because that's the real test. It's kind of like the 1919. You see how that thing sounds now? It sounds like that because I put it to the test. Put it through a lot of haircuts. You put your machines through a lot of haircut, they're gonna start making some kind of noise. That thing, I don't know. I think that something might be wrong with it because it's super loud. Loud to the point where I don't even want to touch it. So, but Calipers got something going on right here. They got something pretty good. They're on to something. My honest review on this is that it's a pretty nice machine. Pretty nice machine. I like it. I do like it, and I'm probably gonna keep using it. So you'll be seeing it. So I don't know about the 50 cal. Right now. I'm in no business to be investing any more money. Maybe if 50 cals out there see this review and they want to send it to me, and I'll give it a fair try for them and I'll give them a fair review on it. Shoot it. I'll do it. But as far as me buying it right now, I don't think so. If I was gonna do that, I don't know. I'm not even buying machines right now anyway. But that's it for this review, guys. My honest review on this is a pretty nice machine. Fades awesome, as you guys just saw in all the clips that I put in there. It does the work. It puts in the work. The only thing the only problem like I have about it is that I feel like you hear that? Sometimes when you move it in a certain direction, like if you're fading, you'll hear the motor change speeds or something. You know, that's the only drawback I have about it. I don't know if it's defective. Maybe I got a defective one. I don't know. Maybe if Caliber's watching this video, they could tell me. But I really do like this machine. It's a nice fading machine. It definitely does the job. All right, guys. Thank you again for watching our reviews here on Big Al's Barber channel, guys. If you guys, let me know below if you guys own this machine. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you guys have had any problems with the battery. I like to know about that. That way I could drop on the next review, and I'm gonna do a 6-month review update 6 months from now, and I'll let you guys know if I still like this machine or not. That's when you find out really what's going on with the machines on the review updates. So keep those in mind. I'm gonna be having a lot of review updates on our channel, guys. I got all kinds of content planned for this year. I appreciate you guys watching. I encourage you guys again. I know a lot of my viewers, a lot of the views I get are from people that aren't even subscribed, guys. I encourage you guys to join the Big Al's Barbershop team, guys. Join it. We're going to be dropping reviews. I'm going to be dropping tutorials, and I'm going to be vlogging all the time, letting you guys know what's up out here in the real barber world. So, but with that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys watching and tuning into our channel again. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video. Grind on.